guys, tuturuan niya po ako kung paano. Oh, oops.
Sorry.
Rare message.
Sorry again.
Okay, let's go.
So, you go there. Okay. She needs to be have a lesson because she don't know how to balance. So, you need to teach her. Here. Wait. So, sorry. So, I gotta try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump! I know how to balance. I know how to balance. Sorry, we have a message again. Dito ka ulit. Okay. Don't go. Huh? Ano gagawin? I'm sorry. Bye. Ah!
No! Where was it again?
Here's yours. We need to teach you how to fight like a woman or a man.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Dito
Ready?
ka usad, usad.
Get set, go. What? No, not fast. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Yung ganto ka. Ganto ka muna. 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, pag ganun ka, dapat gaganon ka para hindi ka matamaan. Gaganto ha.
O sige, ganito po, ituturo po namin.
Go!
Oh, uy!
Wow. Tama yun. Ginawa niya. Ulit. Medyo umuusot siya. Hindi ka nakikita. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna...
Sabay!
No! Like this.
Like that. Ha! 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 Ha!
Like this, so...
Thank you for watching.
So, teaching Ella. Bye!